Hi, this is Kelvin from Lexau Audio. Today we gonna uh today we are here to run some tests of this microphone. Okay, the microphone model is XD1P P4 Plus. Uh, this is a true diversity wireless microphone, especially for professional singer. This one is upgrade the capsule is quite different between the XD1. Hey. Okay, first we before you watch this video, please make sure you put the headphone on so you can hear the audio carefully and you have more detail how the microphone sounds. That's what we try to do for this video. Just give you some idea how this microphone sounds. Okay, and next the microphone is connected to this audio interface. The model is Focus Drive Solo first generation and connect to the laptop right here, and all the audio recorded by Adobe Audition. So everything about this video, the audio is not edited. Okay, the audio is not edited. Everything you hear is directly recorded by this microphone and no edited, just the raw audio. Okay. Uh, First, let's this is a cardio power pedal microphone. Cardio power pedal microphone, which means all the sounds picks up from this side, the top of the microphone. Hey, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Hey. And by the way, I am in a soundproof room. And with the air conditioner on. Just give you some idea where am I, so you can know the ambient, the environment, how the environment lies, and yeah, and also this microphone is a this microphone, the capsule is detachable. Yeah. This microphone, the capsule is can be detached, so you can you can replace your capsule like other brands capsule. Put it in here and use for this transmitter. Okay, it's a detachable design. The capsule is replaceable, and uh, first, let's get back where we left. First, this is a cardio power pattern microphone, which means the sound picks up from the top. Let's test the side and the back. How the side and the back sounds like. Is it pick up audio? How the back and the side picks up audio? Okay. Hey, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, test. Hey, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, test. Now I'm speed to the top of the microphone. Hey. Hey, 1 2 3, test. Hey, 1 2 3, test. Hey, 1 2 3, test. Now I'm speed to the side of the microphone. Hey, 1 2 3, test. Now I'm speed to the back of the microphone. Hey, 1 2 3, test. Hey, 1 2 3, test. Hey, 1 2 3, test. Hey. Okay. Next, the head noise. This microphone is made full metal body. Okay, it's full metal body, and also the receiver is full metal body. Okay. Okay, the hand noise is uh next let's test the proximity effects. Okay, let's begin. One two three, one two three, one two three, one two three. Hey hey hey, policeman, 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 policeman. Post office, post office, post office, post office. Potato, potato, potato. Post office, potato. Policeman, policeman. Please, please, please. Potato, potato. Okay. Especially when we talk to like I am spoke the word potato, the proximity effect is very rest, very few. Okay, I cannot hear the proximity effect. Like listen carefully. Potato, potato, potato. Right. The capsule is better than the SD one, so it's give you more details, clarity, more clear. Give you some more details about the give you some more details of your song. Okay. Next, I gonna speak a poem, which is a Chinese poem. If you don't understand the Mandarin, and that's alright. Just listen to the sound, how the sound, how the microphone sounds, how the audio quality lies. Okay. 枫桥夜泊，叶落乌啼霜满天。江枫渔火对愁眠，孤诗城外寒山寺。夜半钟声到客船。Yeah, this is a Chinese poem. Uh, it's okay you don't understand. Just hear the sound quality. Okay. Uh, Next, I'm gonna sing the song for a little bit, so you have an idea how the microphone sounds like when we sing. This song is called "Someone Like You" by Adele. So I'm gonna sing a little bit, not the whole song. By the way, I'm not a very good singer, so who you don't like it, just hear the microphone and how the microphone sounds, and that's okay. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me. I bet I remember you saying, sometimes it loves you long, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it loves you long, but sometimes it hurts instead. Yeah, that's it. That's how the microphone sounds. That's the whole audio test, sound test. Uh, the final I gonna say something. The XD1 is and the differences between SD1 and the XD1P. Uh, the XD1P is more give you some more details and more clarity, more clear, and especially for the mid and the triplet, and it gives you some it's easy to sing. So this microphone we this when we decide the capsule, it's especially for singer, for those people who sing on the stage and karaoke and so on. The SD one is more like like a I'm not saying it's more like for vocal and spoken words, and yeah, you know the differences. And if, anyway, that is up to your choice. So SD1 and the SD1P, which one is better for you. If you so just ask us about the microphone details. Okay, thank you.